This might just look like a colorful rock, but it's actually a sea creature I bet you've never seen before, a pink encrusting bryozoan. Bryozoans are colonial invertebrates, so each little pink dot is an individual called a zooid. The whole thing is basically a tiny apartment complex. They don't look like much when they're out of the water, but once they are underwater and open up, they are one of the most beautiful animals. Each zooid is less than a millimeter long, and they have a circle of ciliated tentacles called the lophophore that it uses to feed. Bryozoans are filter feeders, so they capture plankton and particles that float into their tentacles. Sometimes they flick them as a way to catch prey, which is what we're seeing here. One of my favorite things about them is that they are the primary food source for a sea slug called the Hopkins rose nudibranch. This hot pink slug gets its color from eating the bryozoan, similar to how flamingos are pink from their diet. The slugs have a radula, which I like to think of as a tongue covered in sharp teeth that it uses to scrape the bryozoans out of their calcium carbonate homes. Bryozoans don't look like much at first glance, but when you take a closer look, you realize they're a vital part of the tide pool ecosystem, filtering water, providing food for other animals, and reminding us that even the smallest creatures play a big role in the ocean.